One. That's a drone. Got one. Tucker, stop. Oh my God, Tuck. I got my fucking dog with me. There it is up there. It's hovering. It's turning. It's flashing lights. That's not a regular plane. I swear to God, that's why I'm not making a big deal out of an airplane. Look at it. It's just sitting there. Got it. Come on, Tuck. I'm in Barrington, New Jersey, South Jersey. Look, I'll show you a regular plane. Ready? They go in this way for the landing. Look, see how they flash different? Boop, 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 boop. Ready? This one, where's it at? The other one was boop, 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 boop. See it? It's still, that's not a plane. That's a drone. I can't believe I found one. Again, I'll show you another regular plane. And then this one. Still in, there's no way. Planes don't stay in my view that long. I stand out here all day. I'm always walking my dog. Look, I can still see it. It's still flashing. That's a fucking drone. I got it. I can't believe I got it. Fucking sitting there trying to smoke a joint. Gotta record this shit. I got my dog's leash in one hand. Look, here we go. Here's a perfect view right here. Regular plane's coming in on the right. That's a regular plane coming in from the right to the left. Look at this drone's just hovering. You know where it's hovering over? That's Camden that way. It's not that far, but it's headed that way. Come here, Tuck. Where the hell are you? Oh, you're right there. Come on, let's go to the park. Come on. Let's go. Oh, perfect. We'll just go right to the dog park. That's not it. Did I lose it? No, I still see it. Hold up. Let me get it back. There it is. See how all the other planes have gone out of my view already? Because they go 500 miles an hour. You can still see it blinking. I'm not going to lose it unless it goes out of my view. But I have a feeling it's going to come back because it probably just started on its grid. So probably doing a couple mile grid. I do believe that it's searching for radioactive materials that went missing. I mean, at least that's the most feasible story I've heard. That in New Jersey, back in like, you know, November 17th, 18th, something like that, mid to late November, radioactive materials went missing. They said like not enough to like blow up a city or anything. I don't know. They said, I don't know how large. But then the drone started sniffing for radioactive materials, you know, quote unquote sniffing, but like, you know, with their fucking technology they can use, you can see probably through houses and shit, you know. All right, I'm losing it.